So here we have the Volkswagen UP on a 22 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter of sorts. It will show you over there how much of the electric power in this vehicle you are using, whether the batteries are being charged through your braking in the car, for example. We have the speedometer in the middle, and over on the right-hand side, we have the charge level, or the amount of battery power that's left in the motors. In the center, you can see at the very bottom, it will show you how many miles of driving are left with regards to that charge level. So we got a full charge essentially and 123 miles of range. Above that, you have the total miles for the car. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo controls on the left, and over on the right hand side, stereo controls. We have controls that will change the information displayed in that central section just there. You can see me cycling through it now, and phone controls as well. The phone controls themselves are over here in terms of setting the phone up. You'd press the phone button and then follow the instructions on screen from there. When it comes to the radio, you can see each push of this button will give you a different band. So we've got FM and DAB radio at the bottom there. Media is where you will listen to your own music. We have Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. We've also got the auxiliary input just here as well. Above that, the climate control for the car. So you can adjust the fan speed up and down. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the car. And you can adjust, of course, the temperature down and back up from here as well. When you're happy with those settings, air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off, back on, or hit auto. The car will now take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed to maintain the temperature that you've asked for. You can manually override that at any time you wish to. We have a heated driver's seat with 2 different heat settings, the same for the passenger. We've got a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen as well. And then we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox down here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.